The 7-digit numbers 74A52B1 and 326AB4C are each multiples of 3. Which of the following could be the value of C? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 5, or E. 8. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the key idea. A number is a multiple of 3 exactly when the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3. So instead of the whole number, we just need to look at the digit sums. Start with the first number, 74A52B1. The known digits are 7, 4, 5, 2, and 1, which add to 19. So 19 plus A plus B must be a multiple of 3. Since 19 leaves a remainder of 1 when divided by 3, we need A plus B to leave a remainder of 2. In other words, A plus B is 2 more than a multiple of 3. Now the second number, 326AB4C. Its known digits are 3, 2, 6, and 4, which add to 15. And 15 is already a multiple of 3. So we just need A plus B plus C to be a multiple of 3. We already know A plus B is 2 more than a multiple of 3. Substitute that in. 2 plus C must be a multiple of 3, which means C leaves a remainder of 1 when divided by 3. Checking the choices 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. Only 1 leaves a remainder of 1. So C must equal 1. The value of C is 1, which is answer choice A.